Today we're diving into one of Porsche's lesser-known classics, the Porsche 912. While it might live in the shadow of its iconic sibling, the 911, the 912 offers a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality. So why should you give this car a second look? Let's break it down. At first glance, the Porsche 912 might look almost identical to the legendary 911, and you wouldn't be wrong. The 912 shares the same sleek body design that Porsche enthusiasts know and love, with those iconic round headlights, sloping rear, and compact dimensions. But look a little closer, and you'll find key differences. While the 911 boasts a 6-cylinder engine, the 912 is powered by a 4-cylinder. So what does that mean for performance? The 912 comes with a 1.6-liter flat-4 engine that produces around 90 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like a lot by today's standards, but in the 1960s, this engine was all about balance and efficiency. The car was light, weighing under 2,100 pounds, meaning the 912 could still offer a fun, engaging driving experience. In fact, some purists even argue that the lighter engine improved the car's handling compared to the 911. And that's where the 912 truly shines in the handling department. Thanks to its lighter engine, the weight distribution is more balanced, allowing for nimble cornering and precise steering. It may not roar like the 911, but it sure knows how to dance through the curves. Step inside, and you're greeted by a simple, classic Porsche interior. The dashboard layout is unmistakably Porsche, with its signature 5-dial instrument cluster, minimalistic controls, and a driver-focused design. The materials might seem basic by today's standards, but they were built to last, offering a blend of function and style that was ahead of its time. The seating position is low and sporty, perfect for connecting the driver to the road. And let's not forget the 912's practicality with more fuel efficiency than the 911. The 912 was marketed as the everyday Porsche. Perfect for those who wanted Porsche's style and prestige without the higher costs of a 6-cylinder engine. Back in the day, the 912 was significantly more affordable than the 911, and that made it appealing to a broader audience. Today, this affordability extends to the classic car market. While the 911 has skyrocketed in value, the 912 remains a more budget-friendly entry into Porsche ownership. The Porsche 912 was produced between 1965 and 1969, and though it was eventually discontinued in favor of the 911, it still holds a special place in Porsche's history. It bridged the gap between the 356 and the 911, giving drivers a taste of that legendary Porsche driving experience in a more approachable package. So, what makes the Porsche 912 special? It's the balance. The balance between performance and economy, style and simplicity, classic looks and affordable entry into Porsche ownership. If you're after a pure, classic driving experience with the essence of Porsche DNA, the 912 might just be the perfect choice. The Porsche 912, an underrated classic, ready to be rediscovered. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more classic car reviews, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite vintage Porsche.